Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Reddit not loading on cell phone. So simply what you need to do, just you have to follow simple steps. So first of all, what you need to do, just check your internet connection. If your internet connection is stable, like I have Wi-Fi and it is stable, you can also check your data, turn it off and on. So after this, on the next step, you have to move to Play Store and check if your app is updated or not. So in some cases when app is not updated, it's sometimes unable to load. Simply check here. Now here you can see our app is updated. And in the other way, sometimes if app is not working, you have to uninstall the app and then reinstall the app. There is another method. Just click here, go to app info. Now go to storage usage. Now here clear the data. So you can also go to settings, app management and clear the data. So in this way you have completely refreshed your app. So after this, when you click on this, so here you can see our app is being uploaded. So here you can see simply it is loaded. You can also log in. So finally we have successfully logged in Reddit app. So in this way you can load Reddit app in cell phone.